Hey, it's Ryan from upfitsupply.com, and in this video we're going to be installing a WeatherGuard crossover box in coordination with our WeatherGuard headache rack using the Toolbox Spacers. Let's get started. Okay, this is part number 11923-52-01. It is just this kit with these two aluminum brackets and some Velcro strips that allows you to level out your toolbox if you're going to be mounting it in conjunction with your WeatherGuard headache rack. Now, I will say this, you don't need this product if you're okay with your toolbox sitting a little crooked over here. But otherwise, it's gonna be one piece of aluminum like this. It's the same thickness as our aluminum right here as part of the mounting feet. And then there's just gonna be some Velcro strips that we're gonna use to essentially attach this to our box. So if you are okay with your box just sitting a little bit crooked, then you don't really need this product. But we're gonna go ahead and get started with this installation. I mentioned that it does include installation instructions. Make sure you reference this for the ultimate source of information. Of course, doing our best to follow it as well. What I'm doing is just sandwiching these two pieces of Velcro together. I'm gonna remove the adhesive from one side, and I'm going to stick it to the aluminum bracket here. And then I'm going to take the other part of the adhesive off. Just making sure my box here is centered on the vehicle. I'm just going to slide this under till it makes contact with that. So when I pick this up, the adhesive should be stuck to the bottom of the box. And there we go. That's just gonna give us a nice level surface. We'll do the same thing over on the driver's side. And again, sliding this underneath this lip here. Then you'll just go ahead and install this using the included hardware to the bed as normal. You just have that spacer in there to give you a nice level box. Now that just about does it for this installation. If you're looking for that kit, your WeatherGuard crossover boxes, your headache racks, whatever you may need to get your truck or van ready for work, we've got it at upfitsupply.com. And my name is Ryan. Have a good one.